just want to say, as we go forward in the future, developing partnerships, relationships with all the educational centers in Southern Ohio is going to be very important to Kenworth. We're continuing to invest in the factory. We have probably 30 robots right now. We got a $35 million investment coming in that's going to add another 25 to 30 robots. Technology is continuing to increase. It's very important that we get our technicians trained, that we get our workforce trained and educated, and we really appreciate the partnerships. So thank you very much. Glad you're here.
What a pleasure it is to be here today and to celebrate the partnership between Kenworth and the University of Rio Grande and Rio Grande Community College. And I am Michelle Johnston, and I'm just honored to serve as the president of the university and the college. And first and foremost, we congratulate the students that are here and the dedication and the quality of the faculty from our industrial technology program. And the Kenworth Rio Electrical Training Program, it started in the fall of 2016, so this has been going on for a while. So this effort has been a joint one for sure. It's been partnerships built upon partnerships, and in a moment I will pass the baton to the former chair and current member of the Rio Grande Community College Board, Larry Kidd. He made an important connection for Rio that has led us to launch this relationship deeper. So thank you for that, Larry. The mobile trailer that we see here today is really a very visible, very tangible component of this project. The Rio and the Kenworth partnership, it represents the first instructional use of this manufacturing on the move trailer. And the execution of training allowed for convenient, high-quality on-site instruction. So how did we acquire this trailer? The financial support came through the Ohio Department of Higher Education RAPIDS grant. This provides grants to purchase equipment to aid in specific workforce development needs. Ohio makes a point to be responsive, and the RAPIDS program continues to be an invaluable asset to students and institutions and businesses and workforce. So at this time I'd like to invite Larry Kidd, the glue that connected Kenworth and Rio, to say a few words.
Thank you, Dr. Johnston. I remember a few years ago I was talking to Gordon Clark, your human resource person at the time, at a business roundtable. We were discussing some of the issues and problems that the business were having. And one of the things that he had mentioned is just training. So that's when I contacted Dr. Johnson and said, can we get together and have a discussion and see what we can do and take with this? And you know, this is really the wave of the future, the partnership between business and education. I think this is where the trends are going to be going, and this is the way that we're both going to be able to survive. So I'm glad to see these two institutions working together. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to John McGill and Department of Higher Education.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. We're celebrating the partnership between Rio Grande and Kenworth. They leverage the regionally aligned priorities of delivering skills, the RAPIDS grant. Dr. Johnson identified all of the different schools and partners. This collaboration between Rio Grande and Kenworth is the first instructional use we have of the mobile trailers we have funded. We have funded 3 or 4 of them. This one is the first one actually placed on a business property doing training regularly, and it's going to be a model for the rest of the state. We look forward to the ability to provide college credits, which is the point, I think, that is not emphasized enough. That not only does this meet the needs of Kenworth today, it helps the students have the skills to use the new machinery of tomorrow. With that, we believe this curriculum and the materials make it the model for the future. And in closing, I'd be remiss if I didn't recognize how important these kinds of projects are to Chancellor Kerry. And the vision for RAPIDS was his vision to put equipment throughout the state, making it accessible to all. Thank you for taking advantage of it.